Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. So right now we are on our way to the Asian market. I hope you guys are having such a phenomenal, glorious, magnificent day, and I'll catch you guys inside. This is where I go when you guys are in school. Okay, so we are really here for some soup, some noodles, and oh, look at this. Okay, some noodles, and then lots of veggies. That's enough stuff. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why it's cheaper to come to the Asian markets, okay? Because you're gonna see stuff like this, cherries and everything, that's $4. Okay, now they may not be organic, okay, but you could get your stuff from here instead of going to the regular supermarket. You could come here. Okay, so right now I am looking for the baby bok choy right here. This is so good. Okay, especially with the ramen. Oh my goodness, it tastes so tasty. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of these. Okay, and they are $2.99. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get this Napa. Okay, I never tried this before. This is $1.29. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this vegan, the veggie cups. They are $7.99. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the baby Napa. Okay, it is 2 in a pack, and these just look better to me as opposed to the other ones that I had picked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of these. This is another reason why I love coming here, because they mushrooms, they have all types of mushrooms, okay? And you are going to save on your buck. So make sure you guys are checking out the Asian markets, okay? Like this right here, black oyster mushrooms. They organic. They are $4.99, I believe. Okay. Then they have these king oyster mushrooms. These are $2.49. Okay. So it's very important for you guys to, you know, if you wanna save on your buck, okay, make sure you guys check out the Asian markets. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get these white beach mushrooms. I think that's how you pronounce them. I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of these, especially for my soup. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get about 1 of these. Okay, these taste so good with the ramen. Okay, so these are wood ears. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say these are like the chicken of the sea. I mean the chicken of the woods. Okay, I think you know, correct me if I'm wrong. This is $2.99, okay, and they look so different. All right, so I'm gonna get about 1 of these. I want to try these apples out. I don't know how much these are though, but you see they have like the seeds and stuff like that. I don't know what type of apple this is, but you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and get one. Okay, so I was about to say, I know this coconut ain't no $22, okay? Another reason why to come to the Asian markets, okay, because young coconuts, $2.55, okay? And then they have all types of coconuts here, all types of different exotic fruits and stuff like that. I'm going to show you guys some more fruits and stuff that they have. This is really good right here. Okay, so I was listening to Yaki Awakening probably about a week ago. I had came across his video, and one of the things he said was these dragon fruits. So they have dragon fruits like this, and then they also have, I forgot the other color that they have. But he said if you want to move, you know, your system, like be able to go to the bathroom and stuff like this, he said this fruit, it cleans out your the track. Honey, I'm having a brain freeze, okay? But he said this cleans out your gut so much, okay? And these are $5.99. The regular price, honey, is $9.99. But let me tell you this, these are so good. Okay, so the apples that I had showed you, I had got one just to try it. These are called Snow Fiji apples, okay? All right. I'm excited to try these. So my youngest son, he's about to get these plums, and I know, okay, they're not organic, okay? But we gonna rinse these real good. And these are $2.99. I asked him how many was he getting. He said 5. Javon, no, we could get these from Whole Foods. Yeah. Okay, so right here they have honey watermelon, and honey, I would get one of these, but I'm not gonna get one of these today. And these are, wait, hold on, child. These $2.49 or $2.49 per pound. Okay. Okay, so I had heard so much about durian, okay, the fresh durian, and I'm going to try this. Next month, I'm going to do a whole haul on exotic fruits from here, and yeah, that should be fun. But they normally are $15, but they on sale, I think, $9.99 per pound. And this is how the durian looks. Okay, I was thinking about getting this broccoli, but honey, I don't feel like getting it to clean it and everything like that. But what I will get is, I'm thinking about these tomatoes. But now I'm not gonna get that. So right now I'm looking for some veggie dumplings. Okay, they veggie dumplings. I had them last time with the ramen. Oh my goodness, you talking about tasty? They were so good. Okay, wait, hold on. All right, wait 1 second. All right, now we ain't gonna get that. They have these vegan dumplings right here. I believe, I don't know which ones I tried last time, but I'm definitely gonna go with these. And then I'm gonna see what they say on the back of this. Okay, let's see. So these dumplings are $7.99. Honey, I said my budget was going to be $60 up in here. Hold on, child.
Oh, do we have these?
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get these.
It's coconut milk. Oh, no.
See this one?
It's banana.
Okay.
Oh,
And these are $2.99. Okay. All right, so family, we are going to checkout now. Okay, let me see which register is open. We don't have anything in the house that requires bread. All right, we still have to go to Whole Foods. But if this is heavy, we're not going to go to Whole Foods today. How you doing? Good. But those are good. You remember we had it with the ramen before?
What is this?
Mushrooms. These two I don't want. And this one.
Carla.
Okay, so our total was $77.43. Okay, so they have these toys right here. Okay, and I guess they just put this here because last time when we came here, they definitely didn't have this right here. But they have this, and then over here, Okay, and then they have bigger teddy bears and stuff like that, which is really, really cool, especially for the kids when they come here because, you know, then they're gonna want this stuff. Okay, Amani, let's go. Okay, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. I catch you guys on the next one. With that being said, peace.